Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account on Pionex. So first of all, you created your own account, and then after this we go to our own icon or logo, and then from there you will see KIC. We click on that, and then from now you see right here that we are on level 0 from the verification. So what we need to do is we click here on verify, and now we need to fill in all the details that they need. So let's say we are from the Netherlands. Now that's not possible. Then we do UK. Now doesn't matter. Do something, fill in your name, and then do submit. They need your information. So the level 1 verification is just filling in your name, your country, and things like that. Then you do submit, and then after that you are a level 1 trader, and then you can withdraw money or deposit money and can start trading. So this is the place where you can verify your account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.